Smith. I'm 25 years old, and I'm here with Ziering Medical, and I'm following up with my 1 year appointment. After results, I feel great. Just being around people, my family, my friends, everybody noticing a big difference within, myself and my appearance. So overall, it just makes me feel good and more confident. I don't have to wear hats or anything, of that nature, but I'm going out with confidence and, going to the barber regular again. My biggest difference within the results is, how my hairline looks now with me being so young. I feel like, I never lost hair, and I never had the procedure at this point. Everything is back to, step one. For any guys out there who are, juggling between doing it and not doing it, having any hesitation, my recommendation as a 1 year patient, I would say go ahead and do it. It's a great investment, and with Ziering Medical especially, you will be pleased with your results.